Welcome back to my channel. Today is January the 19th, and I wanted to talk a little bit about a stock that just shot up by 123% today. I actually own 1,000 shares of this stock. Stock ticker symbol is INUV, Inuvo, and right now it's at $1.82 with 25% jump after hours, and today it was up by 123%. So look at the week. It was pretty bland, nothing happening until just recently. Just pretty much today it's when it started shooting up. Over the month you can see the trend, 3-month, the year, and then the 5-year. Actually you can see it had a high of almost $2 and something. I have a position of 1,000 shares, like I said, at an average cost of 0.375, and you can see my total return is 385%. Of course, this is a penny stock, and always recommend people to do that due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Buy these stocks at your own risk, but I'll talk a little bit about the company and why it shot up today. So right now, as we see the stats, the market cap of 158.27 mil and 261 million trading volume. So as soon as the stock started picking up, we saw a lot of retail investors and also institutional investors jumping on, mostly swing traders, to get in and get out when they got some profit. It looks like we have a high of 1.70. I think the 1.83 is because of after hour inclusion. Then I show you a little bit about the earnings. Right now it looks like they only beat expectation in Q2 of last year, and they did not beat expectations for the last quarter before Q4, so Q3. And then I'll walk you my history. So I started buying this stock in September the 3rd. You can see my average was like 0.39 back then, and then I averaged and until I got my position to 1,000 shares. So what does Inuvo deal with? So Inuvo Inc. engages in the provision of artificial intelligence driven commerce solutions. The firm provides platforms that can identify and message online audiences for any product or services across devices, channels, and formats, including video, mobile, connected television, display, social, and native. Its products and services include Valid Click, Intent Key, and digital publishing. The Valid Click service is a software for publishers that offer a pay-per-click solution where advertisements are targeted to consumers based on content and behavior. The Intent Key Services is a consumer intent recognition system designed to reach highly targeted mobile and desktop in-market audiences with precision. The digital publishing service includes brand web properties with content developed, edited, and published by Inuvo. The company was founded in October 1987 and is quartered in Little Rock, Arkansas. And the listed name is INUV in Inuvo Inc. So it looks like we have about 64 employees. So what actually made the stock to shoot up? So a few things happened. So one, Inuvo closed today at 8 million common stock offering. They had about 13.3 million shares of common stock, par value of 0.01 per share, at a share price of 0.6 when this happened. And I think they pushed out a press release. If you guys have been checking out the company for a while, you might have seen it. And as soon as that was out, we know a few institutional investors jumped on buying the stock. Vanguard bought, I think, 2.4 million shares a day or so ago. And the confidence in institutional investors is what made people start jumping on the stock. So right now, I think I like my position. I like the return, what I've already got. I believe in the company because I feel like, like my today's morning video about e-commerce on my Etsy position. I believe marketing and mostly digital marketing when it comes to e-commerce is going to be pushed by advertising. And if you're in the platform or business of advertising, like Google is, Facebook is, Instagram is, Snapchat is, there's money to be made because people are willing to spend money to advertise for products and services. And that's where my analysis for this company came in. And when I bought it, I had a high conviction, and it looks like unless something changes, I've already recouped my money and made even more on the stock. What's my next plan? I'll just hold and ride it until whatever it gets to. Thank you so much for watching. I just thought of putting this quick video for you guys. I highly recommend you subscribing to the channel because we have a lot of good stuff coming in the pipeline. Comment, let me know how many shares you have for INUV, and also share this video, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Be green and be safe. Thank you.